Have you ever wondered who actually uses OnPay? We've all heard about it, but who are the real people behind the transactions? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. The Everyday Person. Real-life examples. Show short clips of people using OnPay in their daily lives. A student paying tuition online. A parent buying groceries with their phone. A freelancer receiving payment for a completed project. A small business owner accepting payments from customers. Benefits. Highlight the convenience and security of using OnPay for everyday transactions. Section 2. The Business Owner. Interview with a business owner. Feature an interview with a successful business owner who uses OnPay. Discuss how OnPay has helped their business grow and streamline operations. Highlight specific features and benefits that have been valuable to them. Case study. Share a compelling case study of a business that has significantly benefited from using OnPay. Section 3. The Global Citizen. International examples. Show clips of people from different countries using OnPay for various purposes. A traveler sending money home to family. A student studying abroad paying rent. A migrant worker receiving wages. Impact on communities. Discuss how OnPay is empowering individuals and communities around the world. Section 4. The Future of OnPay. Innovation and growth. Explore upcoming features and innovations that will further enhance OnPay's capabilities. Vision for the future. Discuss the company's vision for the future of digital payments and its role in shaping the global economy. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Call to action. Encourage viewers to learn more about OnPay and consider using it for their own transactions. Closing statement. End the video with a strong and memorable statement that leaves a lasting impression. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.